Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you take it from there. June 18th, Supreme Court opinion, United States v. Skrmetti. All right, this is an important one and informative one here, folks, so let's focus up. We are talking about a Tennessee law, Senate Bill 1, and whether it violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. This clause requires states to treat all people equally under the law. Also, under this, there are certain classes or characteristics of people that are set forth as suspect, quasi-suspect, or neither classes or characteristics. So suspect class or quasi-suspect class. And that's just basically a characteristic of human beings that if a law is made discriminating based on those characteristics, the courts are required to give more time and strict scrutiny looking at that law to decide whether it's constitutional. So, Senate Bill 1 from Tennessee. This bans certain medical treatments like puberty blockers and hormones for transgender minors when used to help them identify with a gender different from their biological sex or treat discomfort from a mismatch between their gender identity and biological sex. However, the law allows these treatments for other medical conditions, like birth defects, early puberty, and other diseases and physical injuries, basically. As a result of this decision or law, the three transgender minors, their parents, and a doctor challenged SB 1's constitutionality, arguing it violates the Equal Protection Clause by unfairly discriminating based on sex and transgender status. The district court agreed with them and partially blocked the law. But the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals overturned the district court decision, saying the law was unfair. Then came time for the Supreme Court review. And the Supreme Court ruled that SB 1 does not violate the Equal Protection Clause. Does not violate it. The court said SB 1 doesn't treat people differently based on their biological sex or whether they are transgender. It focuses on two things. One, age. The law only applies to minors, not adults. And two, medical use. It bans puberty blockers and hormones for treating gender dysphoria, but allows them for other conditions like early puberty. So these distinctions, age and medical use, don't require strict review under the Constitution. They only need a reasonable basis for implementation to be constitutional. So this is the evidence that Tennessee provided that gave them that reasonable basis. They showed that puberty blockers and hormones for gender dysphoria can have serious risks like infertility, health problems, or psychological issues.
Full video located on our channel.